So, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. So, we are going to start new series about how to build web apps using AI. So, we are going to build everything from scratch, and you can see all the processes one by one, and how we build it, how we debug it, and how to publish it for all of them. So, all the processes will be recorded, everything. This will be raw video, and we are not going to edit anything. We just build it, and hopefully it's going to be useful to everyone. So let me introduce some apps that we are going to use in order to build that app. Mainly, it is one app that builds everything. So it is this one. Its name is Google Antigravity, which is basically IDE, which is powered by Google's latest models. So yeah, it's kind of powered by Google's Gemini 3 Pro, which is currently latest model by Google. So it's just IDE you can download for every operating system. And about pricing, it's kind of, we are paying $20, which is part of the Google's Google One subscription. We are going to get 2 terabytes of storage, which we are not using, and Gemini features, notebook align features, and video generation, all of the stuff, including anti-gravity, which gives us 5 hours of tokens, which refreshes every 5 hours. But in our case, we have never run out of any tokens after the subscription, so you are good to go. With $20, you can build entire app, web app. So, and next, our app is, of course, will be our Telegram. Telegram will be our app. So we are going to build the Telegram app inside the Telegram, which is mini apps. If you know, it kind of accesses to the Telegram. You can launch it inside the Telegram. You can also build it on website as a website, but for us, Telegram is the main messaging app. That's why we are going to use it. So that's all the apps. So let me show you let's get started. So with first we need to open the file. And just all you have to do is open a new file and name it. We are going to build Tasbih app today. So then open. I think it doesn't show here, so I'm going to close the anti-gravity for now and open here. I think it opens. It doesn't show anything. Let me. Oh yeah, it does. So this is the app anti-gravity, which is in the opposite side. We have anti-gravity chat, which is powered by many models. We mostly use and highly recommend Gemini 3 Pro, which is currently is the latest model, and we are going to open that folder. So in the home, not in the home, I think it's the local. Let me find it here because I don't want to show my database. So in the folders,
Okay, hello everyone. About anti-gravity workspace, it may be a little bit different when you're opening it first time. So just don't panic.
Oh yeah,
you can customize it.
Okay,
later.
Yeah, that was okay. This is the file. I'm going to choose. Yeah, it's going to open here. But when you are opening the file, it's going to be in this format, which means on the left hand side, you will have a chat, and on the right hand side, or left hand side, you will have your code base. So it's kind of, I mixed it up. So this is going to be your interface. So we are going to build the app here. Everything will be saved to your this app, this folder. Every code you have is going to be saved into this folder. And you also need GitHub to save every code and launch it. But right now, I'm not going to use the GitHub. Later, we will be using that as well. So for starters, we are going to explain what we want to build to the agent, and it's going to build from scratch. When it comes to coding, we highly recommend building the layout UI and like giving it to the Gemini. Like, let's build Taspeh app, and you're gonna see it kind of builds with the knowledge it has, and you can iterate from there. Okay, we do not recommend giving the whole thing with a bunch of like what you wanted to do. Instead, give it a try, and it builds everything for you, and you can customize it from there because it has good ideas you might miss. That's why we highly recommend building it, then editing it. It's not like coding, which you have to think and build. In the AI vibe coding, you have to build and think. It's like this. And I have a cat, so it might be noisy. Yeah, it's kind of bored. He's bored, definitely. So yeah, it's kind of that's it. You don't need to customize the app, and I highly recommend planning and Gemini 3 Pro. Do not change it if you have a subscription, and we highly recommend building like opening a subscription. So that's it. So my friend, uh, what we are going to do? So we were thinking about. I'm not sure in English, but we want to build one app to do two main things. Tasbih, which is going to calculate how many times we say Subhanallah, and other, uh, what do you call it in English?
Mm,
So I think you got it. We are not, for the context, we don't, our main native is language is Uzbek, but we are speaking in English. We don't know a lot of words in English, especially related to religions. That's why forgive us. So we are going to build the Tasbih app and Qaza app, which like you can calculate how many times of
your praise.
namaz or your praise have left you haven't read in the past. It's kind of we say Qaza in Uzbek. I'm not sure in English. I'm not sure what does it mean.
I think it's
Yeah, I
same in
think
other languages too.
yeah, I think you got the idea. I think everyone got the idea because if you are Muslim, you can understand. So it's kind of basically app. So we are going to explain what we want to do first. Do you have anything to say?
I think no,
Muhammad?
but uh, you know what? Every time I'm starting new chat, I start with saying salam and some stuff to integrate more funny emotions for myself.
I hope it doesn't build anything. Yeah, it sometimes builds something we don't like. We sometimes we have to specifically say like we don't build anything. Yeah, walaikum assalam. I'm doing
Yeah.
well. Thanks for asking. I'm ready to help.
Oh,
So, oh,
very good.
debugging creative. It we have history from
Yeah.
previous chat. That's kind of scary.
I
So
see.
yeah.
There is some tool to turn off the synchronizing for new chats.
Mm.
But actually, I really don't know where it is.
Yeah, we are doing going to. Whoa, I'm sorry. Mm. We are doing it. How to exit? Oh,
Back to it.
so
Okay, just tell it's to forget our old projects.
Mm.
Temporary. Oh, oh.
We should say where we are building the app, which is currently Telegram, because Telegram gives some kind of things that clarifies the user. That's why we are going to use it. We should clarify the what we want to build and where we want to build. You can say web app or anything. Telegram has official guidelines for design. You can use it or not use it. It doesn't matter, but we highly recommend using it because it's kind of easier.
Can we show MVP version, at least designed version today in this recording?
No, let's build it and we are going to see.
Okay.
If you are building on Telegram and you want to use Telegram's official design guidelines, we highly recommend saying search the internet sentence because it might know some stuff and uses the own like Gemini's memory. But if you say search the internet, it searches official docs and uses it as a reference. Otherwise, it might break the entire code system. Okay. Yeah. This is it, and I specifically said theme guidelines because Telegram says which theme using the user is using. That's why you can match the user's theme to the web app. It's kind of different from other apps because not only you have light mode and dark mode, it also has colors which you can use inside of your app, which we definitely going to use. So you can see how it looks like later on, maybe later. So today we are going to build the app, the demo version, then iterate one by one, and it's going to be a lot of videos, especially uh, all section will be different video. So yeah.
Okay. I
So
think it's better if you enter your Grammarly app, or is it open?
no, it's closed, I think.
Yep.
Grammarly. Where is it? I think I lost it.
Actually, my grammar of my English is more worst than my speaking. Actually, my speaking skills are also bad, so I'm gonna some kind of improve it during the lessons. Let's try.
Okay,
I mean,
you can say
forgive
any
us for
recommendations.
grammatical mistakes.
Mistakes.
Because there is the main goal here is just sharing, caring.
We highly recommend adding notes section to specify what you want to do. In our case, this bot is going to be for Muslims, which it might take into consideration, like saying Assalamu alaikum or something like that. So yeah. What few functionalities do you recommend?
Mm,
Like I wanted
uh,
to, let's say I started praying it in when I was 18 years old, which I have like past praise which I missed, and I wanted to calculate it, and I wanted to tick 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 tick. So yeah,
let's just add some explaining page. Just what's how it
I
calculated.
want I wanted to like give it a try, just the whole general idea, and then iterate it. Or do you recommend me to give all the things I wanted to? Yeah, I think I will give everything I in my mind, and I will see what it has. Okay, read through it, and we are going to fix on the way. And I will be moving the chat to left side, right side, because we are recording on Telegram. That's why it might overlap with our faces. That's why I'm moving here. So yeah, everything is right. Are you reading with me?
Me?
Mm,
No, I'm
you.
just researching some stuff, additional stuff.
Okay. Mm, More than 20 mistakes. I think I should learn English. Yeah, I think I finished it. Finished it. Yeah. Huh, I forgot. So we are going to build the app first with the UI and stuff, and later on we are going to add the database, which in our case Supabase. Supabase is our main uh, our main helper to build stuff, which have we built multiple projects with Supabase. It's kind of, I'm not sure about other apps, but in our case, Supabase has been the free version is enough to test the apps, and also it's kind of reliable for us, so we haven't changed anything. So you can just create the project, and we are going to create the project later on, but this is all, this is how it looks like, and we are going to leave the link in the description so you can check it out. We highly recommend this app for testing. When you are vibe coding, you don't know anything about project databases and stuff, so you can just use default one, and your app just sends the data to Supabase and it stores it, and you're going to see it how it looks like later on. And for the context, we are not developers. We have no idea how code works, but we have learned it on the process by building with AI. That's why we are not going to use any kind of fancy stuff. We just connect the multiple apps together with our code, which has been written by AI. That's why, yeah, it's kind of, we are not building next Facebook, so we don't need fancy stuff. Yeah, that's it. I think we are definitely going to use it. So this is the app. If you want to, you can read and check it.
So what? You use solo what? What?
No, I think I have mistakenly used that word. Where was it?
Calculate solo what for
Mm,
Allah? Change it to
Remembrance, I
Zikr.
think.
Maybe
Oh, Zika.
Zikr.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah, yeah.
The
I
with D.
couldn't remember that word. Hmm?
With D. In English, it will be D H I K.
Mm-hmm.
No,
Can you spell
with
one more?
without Z. D H I K I K R. I think it should be like that. I will search it for, but I should check it.
Yeah, this is it. This is it. And we are going to be roasted on the comments. Yeah, be ready for that.
Yeah.
I'm not going to read comments. I'm like, how you are considering yourself
Oh,
religious if you don't know the one word? Come
we're
on,
right.
guys. We are Uzbek. Yeah,
But
okay.
we're right. It will be same as you written.
Mm,
No, DHIKR.
oh my god. Yeah, I think I made it correctly. Have you finished?
So we need two sections, right? For one is for Zikr and one for is Salawat. I actually forgive me. I don't know English word of Salawat, but
Salawat, no.
it should be says for
No,
our
it's for
prophet.
one is for prayers, one is for remembrance of Allah. there will be two sessions for namaz and salawat. Uh, in English, zikrs.
Yep.
Zikr.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to start. Is it? Do you close it? Okay, just test it. Okay. Okay. Let the magic happen.
All we have to do is wait, and the fun part always I interested in thoughts process because it looks like kind of AI speaking with itself. It it's kind of funny. We
Yeah,
have already
and we
tasks.
have, yeah, it's going to build the entire app, and we are going to have 5 folders here. And it kind of requests permission, and we have no idea what it is for, so we are going to accept it.
And
If you know the coding,
uh,
we do not recommend it.
and please, Hazrat, shall turn on the turbo mode. It may be useful because every time accepting is really annoying.
Yeah, it is. In the settings, I think there was settings to turn off for turbo mode, which accepts by itself automatically. We highly recommend turning on, but let's just accept it. We have to do something. Yeah, it's going to build it. Still thinking, still thinking. In the meantime, we are going to open new. I think I should open in my personal account.
New Telegram bot, you mean?
Hmm. Let me clean up my Telegram so that
Okay.
we can see what's
Our
going on.
process is done.
Hmm. Let
Aha,
me create
you
a
have
new
to
file.
approve implementation plan.
Yeah, I forgot about that. I'm sorry. Yeah, we have an implementation plan. It gives every time, if you want, you can like also make it always accept the implementation plan, which is kind of annoying sometimes because it just goes it. So it's kind of, you can read it if you want, and sometimes you can do this. I want to do this right now and show you. Show me visuals. Visuals using text. Raw is text, which is cool. Uh, you can see the result, and I highly recommend using this text, but say specifically using text, otherwise it's going to generate image. Yes, it can generate images, and it kind of takes ages, so we do not recommend that. So I mostly use like, yeah, this is the plan he wants to do. This is visual using text. Welcome to Kazar
I
Tracker
think it's
and
onboarding.
onboarding section, yeah. And we have
Tracker.
apps. Viter. I specifically said Viter, each Viter should be differently. So yeah, and we have, I think, yeah, tab area and other stuff. I think it's good. Let's give it a try. Go ahead. It's going to build the app. I think it's building the app already. Yeah, we also have README file. Oh my god. When did
And
it do it?
some stuff already.
Yeah, it's kind of, and
uh,
um,
I think it's gonna. take some plugin from GitHub.
It's going doing everything.
Yes.
Choose a
If
chance. Sorry.
if something publicly available on the internet, why you don't have to use it?
In our case, we don't care what it does. We only care about what happens in the end. Usually, we are not developers, so we don't understand. Yeah, it kind of it kind of it will have problems like security and other stuff. What we wanted to do is that we are going to build the app and deploy it, and on the process, we are going to learn what might be dangerous for us, and we're gonna fix it. And when we finish the app, we can contact our developer friends and check the security problems with them. This is usually easy for us. So let me introduce you. Oh, sorry. Let me introduce you to Boat Father. Okay, which is basically a mini app to build the web apps. Kind of helps you to build web app. You just have to search this bot further. Don't go around and start another bot because there are many fake apps. So this is a link which we're going to put in description. So you are going to open app section. You will have the mini app and you're going to create mini app. So we are going to give it a bot name. In that case, what do you recommend?
Um, I have some names on my mind.
Our bot is
But
not free.
I'm curious about Uzbek or English, maybe Arabic.
Mm,
Um, we have variants like Mizan, Falah, or just Nur, or
no, it's
Duty,
YouTube.
Duty, and Log, Zikr Log,
Hmm.
Dhikr Log. It's kinda,
Let's just say,
but I want it just simple and understandable. Muslim count, Muslim count.
oh,
It's
did
Arabic?
I write color correct?
I think,
Is
yeah.
it correct?
Yep.
I think it's.
So guys, you're
Let's
showing,
make it.
I mean, you seeing, watching, everything is during the recording. We start everything after recording, so we didn't even try to translate some words to English.
to
So
make
that's
to make
why
it
we
raw. Okay.
be a little bit complicated at the beginning.
Mm-hmm. So we
Um,
are going to name it, and we are choosing the username for our bot, and we are going to create it.
Hazrat, no, 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 you forget K letter on Dicker.
Oh my God! You can edit it everything.
Yeah,
If you have mistaken
letter.
and everything, you can later you can edit it. We are going to just build it, and then in the end we are going to edit everything.
Except
It's just
the
for time being.
link. You
You
never
can also
change
edit that.
your link, I think.
Yeah, yeah. No, no. You can change that. Change that. Telegram
Really? Oh,
gives
I
that
didn't
option
know.
too. Okay. Bismillah. Okay, this is the mini app. This is your bot settings, and here you can edit the settings. starting app. This is also necessary, which we are going to introduce you later on. Uh, just for now, we don't need it. Command section, which we don't need, and we only need mini apps section. Okay, both settings allows you to other stuff, and you can check it out, everything. Yeah. Yeah.
Again,
And this is a token. Uh, this is a token which we are going to use in NV files. Do not reveal to anyone that token because this gives access to your bot, which we do not recommend revealing it. And we are going to change it after the video recording. So yeah, that's it. It's just a revoke. Just change this bot token. Yeah, I think that's it. And we're going to give it a struct. Okay.
okay.
Yeah, it doesn't give you anything because you haven't built the bot yet. So that's it. And you're going to exit the bot. You don't need bot for time being.
Antigravity
So
finished its
this,
work,
yeah, anti-gravity to finish its work, and
but
we got some
some
errors.
errors.
Yeah, if you have errors like this, you can just send to all agent and do like this. It just fixes the problems it has. I think we will
it
have the
it makes mistakes. It analyzes itself, and again, it will correct itself.
if you want to uh, deploy the app online, we are going to use the app called render. That's why we want to have the backend and frontend files differently, which is convenient. That's why I'm sending this, because as you can see here, there is no uh, differentiation between backend and frontend. So meanwhile it is doing itself. We are going to show you another app which is, I don't know how to pronounce it. It's kind of Negrog, which is tunneling app that helps.
And Giro.
Mm, Negrog. I have no idea how to read it. Mm,
Okay,
okay,
you
let
can
me show
send
you the
your
app.
text now.
Okay, is that finished?
Yep.
Yeah, let me. Okay, this is an app. You just have to go to link and just open the app, and you will be given authorization token, which we do not recommend sharing. So I'm going to copy it and I will use it just for now. Let me let him cook, and then we are going to send it to the. Okay, why we need tunneling app? When you are testing the app, oh, sorry, when you are testing the app locally, Telegram does not allow you to send to the local host something. So it's kind of, we have to tunnel through HTTPC, which helps Telegram to securely send the data of some data of user to your app. That's why we have to use tunneling app. In our case, Negrok has been the most reliable one. Other apps we haven't used it. We have used some of them, and they were kind of not reliable for us. That's why we are going to use Negrok, NGRok. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm pronouncing it in Uzbek. Yeah, I
It's
think we got
finished.
the app.
Yep.
Yeah.
Now it's in
Oh.
backend. There is nothing in backend. Render.
Okay. Kind of fun.
So, if you see some stars when you're copying something, just don't share it with anyone, okay? It's the easiest way
Yeah.
to remember.
Yeah. As by the way, some tokens like Negro token can be shared with chat, but like Telegram token and Supabase, your unknown keys and secret keys will not should not be shared with chat, Gemini chat. Okay, do not share with them. I'm just sharing it because it needs it to open the Negro tunneling. I forgot about safe zones.
Mm,
It will not be full app, right? Let me introduce you
I don't
something.
think so.
Mm, Let me show you something. Mm, sorry. Okay.
Your
In the bot father,
permission
you can.
needed.
Mhm. Okay, when you are building app, there is uh, three options you can use when launching app: mini, compact, and full mode, which it will have the header, and full mode, which uses the full screen of the app, like even navbar and like clocks are will be disappeared, and on the desktop it kind of uses full screen, not like this. So we are going to use full size, not full screen, which is convenient to our app. But you can also use full screen if you want to build like dashboards big for optimizing for mobile as well as desktop. For desktop, you are going to use full screen. It's just the main difference here is that just the sizes, and this one uses full screen on desktop. Take this into account. So we have been given the link, so you just have to copy that. Copy. And you are going to enter bot father. As you can see, you have a list of bots, and you are going to enter here, here, and you are going to choose full screen and leave the link here as well as here. You are going to title. Let's call it.
I'll open. Just a
So we haven't given bot token to the app because it doesn't have backend yet. When we have a backend, we can later use the bot token, but for now we don't need it. So let me go to the bot. Our bot is here. So what's going on with my chat? So here our app. So we are going to uh, press this zigger, and it opens up. Oh, mm, mm, we need something. Let's kind of begin to put it and press it. It doesn't have a backend yet, which we are going to build later because we have to store all the data of the user, and we need authentication, which Telegram already gives us the user ID. That's why it's going to be there. So yeah.
Are we
hmm
have NV file?
No, we don't have backend yet. Where is it? And we're going to give it a
Okay,
refresh.
it's recommending to refresh page.
And we did it. Hmm.
Looks like it's working. Oh,
And we
it's
have,
working. At least it's working.
yeah, is it really? Let me open it on mobile because
Mhm.
kind of
but you can do really, really good designs using antigravity and Stitch. Please believe me because I'm also UI and UX designer, so I really love AI doing design. I mean, not graphic design, because yeah, AI is really good creating pictures, images, but it's not about graphic design. But it's really good on UI and UX design if you can write a good prompt, of course. So it's kind of better to show without design first. So we can check also how AI do the design for this app. So are you here, Hazrat? Hazrat left. It's kind of interesting. I think there is a problem with her internet or something. We just wait for him because recording is still recording, or I just called to him. Okay, Hazrat is online, so I think he gonna came back, come back really soon, but he's not responding. So it looks like internet problem. I'm not sure, but so I think I forget to introduce ourselves. My name is Muhammad, and his name is uh, Ikhtiyar John, but we used to call him as Mozi because his every nicknames, everything on social media, he uses that nickname. Aha, he's not responding. Let me let me call him. Sorry, I need to turn off my camera to call because I'm using my phone to recording. So he is not responding. I think that's enough for our first video because he's not used to live in the middle of the chats because I know him. We did a lot of stuff with him. So so guys, thank you for watching us. I really wait you in the next video. So we really don't want to stop, and we're gonna build this up fully, and because we don't just to share you something, we just uh, build that up. We gonna want our Muslims, every ummat, I don't know that word in English, will use it. And also it's also useful to help and teach our friends to have to build apps with AI. So that's the stuff, and that makes sense. So thank you everyone, and please do not spend your time for Instagram or Reels, YouTube Shorts, anything. Just spend it wisely.